Today I'm going to show you the easiest exercise to drastically increase your bass drum speed. At age 14, I was stuck at 130 beats per minute with my feet, and it took me almost 4 years to figure this out. Once I got it, however, I was able to increase my maximum double bass speed to 190 within a couple of practice sessions. Many drummers out there will tell you that it takes years of hard work and constant frustration until you finally deserve to play double bass up to 190. So let's see if I can help you reach this goal way sooner. We actually use the same practice approach for all of our students at the Drum Technique Academy who are in the same situation. It works great for them, so maybe you find this useful as well. The #1 key to increasing your bass drum speed is that you have to develop a feel for the beater swing at high tempos. And here's how to do that. First, to get started, we remove our bass drum pedals from the bass drum. Next, we set our beater angle to about 45 degrees and use a medium to low spring tension. The spring tension we need depends on our body weight, or to be more precise, it depends on the weight of our upper and lower leg resting on the pedal. Now, to start this exercise, all we have to do is place our foot around the middle of the footboard, then we raise our heel by contracting our calf muscle, and then we start to bounce the beater back and forth. If you try this at home, then be careful that you completely relax the muscle groups in your upper leg, vitally important. Our spring tension should support the weight of our leg at all times, and we are basically just quickly contracting and relaxing our calf muscle. That's it. If we start to feel a burning sensation in our shin muscle, then this means that we are actively lifting our foot after pushing down the footboard. If that's the case, then we have to try to let the pedals take over and do all of that extra work for us. We don't want to work hard here, we want to work smart instead. Remember, our shin muscle, the tibialis anterior, is a weak muscle group that we don't want to rely on. Our calves are way stronger and it's easier to train them. We will also cover an easy but really effective shin muscle hack later in this video. We always try to keep the beater swing in this area right here. If we find ourselves pushing our beaters way beyond the regular impact point of the bass drum head, then we have to increase the spring tension a bit. On the other hand, if our beater swing happens way back here, then this means our spring tension is too high. To learn more about our approach to double bass drumming and how we teach and coach our students, go to drumtechniqueacademy.net/start. Now, at first, we want to repeat this basic bounce workout daily for 5 minutes with each foot separately. Once we're able to control that beater swing with ease, then it's time to add our bass drum or practice pad again and repeat the same exercise. Please also share your feedback below this video after you've tried this exercise for the first time. Now here's the little hack I promised you, which helps us to relax our shin muscle, the tibialis anterior. We actually only have to do this for a couple of practice sessions to make this work. Actually, all we have to do is move our drum stool really close to our bass drum pedals. This way we bring our lower leg in a position where it is way more difficult to actively engage our shin muscle when playing double bass.